So today I'm going to show you how to pay someone with Cash App. So this is going to be a quick tutorial. Let's go ahead and load up the app. So we're going to go ahead and start here on the main page of Cash App. What I'm going to do is, if I wanted to send somebody's money, all I got to do is go ahead and type in the denomination that I want to send. Let's go ahead and say I want to send in. I'm going to be generous to this person and send them some money. So once I hit the amount that I want, I'm going to go ahead and click on the pay button that you're going to see down there towards the right hand side. And then right over here, it's going to pop up a menu to put a name tag, a phone number, or even an email. So if you have that person's information, you can go ahead and plug that in. If you're actually nearby them and you have your settings turned on, you can actually just have it all connected easily, and it makes it even simpler for you. So go ahead and type in that name, the phone number, or email, and then in the notes, just make sure you add a piece of information on why you're sending that money. Once you do that, top right pay is going to glow, and so that way you can go ahead and press that. It will do a Face ID or your PIN, and it will send that money to that person instantaneously. Now, if you want to keep on learning more when it comes to quick Cash App tutorials, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.